Hello students, let's continue the solving linear equations in one variable. Here the given equation 5x by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2 equal to x minus 1 by 3. The previous video we have seen if both sides only fractional form is given, we can apply the cross multiplication. Is it? But here left hand side two fractions are given and right hand side one fractional form. So like this if we can solve many methods. Actually solving equations can be done by many methods, but we will get the solution same. So here we can solve like this by taking LCM of these two numbers only, then solving left hand side, then we can proceed with right hand side like that, or otherwise when we get the equation like this, everything fractional form, each term fractional form. See, this is in fractional form and this is also and this is also. When you get like this, now let's find the denominators, LCM of the denominators. Let's solve by taking LCM of the denominators. All the denominators let's take and let's find the LCM of this. So now 4, 2, 3, let's take 2 times, 2 2s are 4, 1 time 3. So now let's stop here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM? 12. LCM is 12. So now after finding the LCM, let's multiply each term by LCM. Let's multiply each term. Here in this equation there are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. So each term to be multiplied by the LCM. So now 12 multiply by 5x, let me write one more time. LCM is 12, so 12 into 5x by 4 minus again 12 into x minus, even we can write like this also, x minus 1 by 2 into 12, that is also possible. We can write left hand side or right hand side, it's our wish only. So the LCM, that is 12, should be multiplied by every term. Okay, equal to 12 into x minus 1 by 3. X minus 1 by 3. So what is the first step we have to do? When we get the equation like this, every term fractional form, like that comes mean find the LCM of the denominators, then each and every term to be multiplied by the LCM. Okay, now see, we can proceed this step. Now we can cancel. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. To have the denominator 1, that's why the denominator we are cancelling. To do that only we are doing this step. So now see, all the denominators became 1. So now let's multiply 3 into 5x. 3 into 5x, 15x, is it? 15x, then here minus, then here 6, because here into x minus 1, 2 terms. So directly also we can multiply, or let's write minus 6 into x minus 1. There are 2 terms. Minus 6 into x minus 1 equal to 4 into x minus 1. We are multiplying the numerators because denominators became 1. Is it? All the denominators became 1. So we are multiplying the numerators only. Okay, so now we received this step, that is 3 into 5x, 15x minus 6, here minus, is it? So minus 6 into x minus 1, so that's why we have written in bracket, because 2 terms. equal to 4 into x minus 1. Okay, let's open the bracket now. 15x, now minus into plus, minus 6 into x, 6x, 6x, then minus into minus, plus 6 into 1, 6. Like that. Here 4 into x, 4x, because plus into plus, plus, there won't be any changes. Then plus into minus, minus, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So now we receive the equation like this. So further what do? We keep the variable terms left hand side, constant term right hand side. So here left hand side the variable terms 15x minus 6x, 15x minus 6x, because left hand side no changes, we are not changing anything. 15x minus 6x, then plus 4x from right hand side, when we bring to left hand side it is becoming minus 4x, is it, by transposition. So now we have brought the variable term left hand side. Now let's keep the constant term right hand side. Already constant term right hand side minus 4, so let's copy the minus 4 as it is. Then this plus 6 is becoming minus 6 here. So variable terms are in left hand side, constant terms are in right hand side. Now let's simplify this. Plus 15 minus 6 minus 4. So how do we simplify? Take the positive integer just 15 and negative integers minus 6 minus 4, it is becoming minus 10. So 15 minus 10, 5, is it? So 5x equal to like, both are like, that is like sign, negative. Like sign mean add, we will get negative answer, because negative, we are adding the negatives. So minus 10, so we need to get x value. So minus 10, this is becoming division, and we will get minus 2, is it? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, then minus 2. So let's see one more example like this. 5y minus y plus 1 by 3 equal to 6y plus 1 by 5. Just see here also, I mean this is not in fractional form, but we can write, and this is in fractional form, this is also can be written in fractional form, here also fractional form. So when we get like this, as I said earlier, we can solve left hand side separately, right hand side separately by LCM method. Then we can do we can proceed further. Otherwise, just take LCM of denominators, all the denominators, LCM of all denominators. So here 1 we can leave that, so 3 and 5. So let's find the LCM of 3 and 5. So it is directly will be multiplied, because both are prime numbers. So the LCM is 15. LCM is 15 because both are prime. So LCM is 15. So after finding the LCM, why are we finding the LCM? Because the terms are in fractional form. So let's find the LCM of all the denominators. After finding the LCM of all the denominators, each and every term to be multiplied by the LCM. Here 5y first term, second term, third term, fourth term. There are 4 terms in this equation. So each terms to be multiplied by the LCM 15. So 5y 15 into 5y. So we can multiply directly, or let me write the step. 15 into 5y, here minus 15 into, because each term to be multiplied by the LCM, So the LCM is 15 minus 15 into y plus 1 by 3 equal to the another term 6y to be multiplied by 15 plus 1 by 15 to be multiplied by 15. Okay. So now here we will have 75y, is it? 15 into 5, 75y. Then here 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So what can be written? Minus 5 into y plus 1, is it? The denominator is becoming 1. So let's multiply the remaining numerator minus 5 into y plus 1 equal to, and here directly we can multiply 6 into 15, 90y. Then here 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, is it? 5 threes are 15. So 3 into 1, 3 plus 3. So now when we do this, the denominators are becoming 1. So now again we need to open this bracket. So 75y, here no changes, minus into plus, minus 5 into y, 5y, then minus into plus, minus 5 into 1, 5 equal to 90y plus 3. Okay, now see, we came to this step. So what do we do at this step? We will keep the variable terms one side, constant term another side. Okay, so now here the variable terms 75y minus 5y, 75y minus 5y, and from right hand side we are bringing that plus 90y is becoming minus 90y equal to, so the variable terms we brought left hand side, constant term already constant term right hand side plus 3, so no changes, and from left hand side when you bring to right hand side it is becoming plus 5, minus 5 is becoming plus 5. Okay, so now let's simplify this. 75 minus 5 minus 90, 75 positive integer and remaining negative, so minus 95 we will get, is it? So unlike subtract greater number sign minus 20, is it? We will have minus 20y, minus 20y equal to 8. So now y equal to, so this minus 20 is becoming division, and it can be simplified by 4 table, by factor 4, common factor. 2 times 2 4s are 8, minus 5, that is minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. So like this can be simplified. Actually, when do you apply this method? When we get the equation like this, fractional form, left hand side as well right hand side, maybe some terms in fractional form, some terms are not in fractional form, like this comes also. Take LCM of the denominators, then each and every term in that given equation can be 5 terms, 6 terms, each and every term to be multiplied by LCM, then we can proceed the step.